Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll give you updates about the bulbul nest. To observe the nest more closely, we placed a camera in our balcony near the nest. After 20 days of laying the eggs, all 3 eggs were hatched. They just wanted to keep on eating all the time. Since they are tiny now, they need high protein food to grow fast. The parents feed them different kinds of insects like dragonflies, moths, butterflies. It's been a week now, still their eyes are closed. So they always respond to their parents' call and immediately open their mouth once they arrive at the nest. While watching their nestling behavior, I learned something new. During early stages, these tiny birds usually produce a fecal sac within seconds of being fed. Fecal sac is a mucous membrane, usually white. The young ones call out and move their bottom up so that the parent can collect it. Many species carry the fecal sac for some distance and then drop them, or some just eat it like this bulbul. Parent bird gains nutritional benefit from eating the fecal sacs. I just wonder at times, how does the parent know all these scientific facts? Why does the bird take away or eat the fecal sac? So the experiments on fecal sac has provided evidence that this behavior is found only in small birds which lives in their nest for longer duration, and they stop producing fecal sac shortly before they are ready to fledge. After a week since they are hatched, these chicks are no longer naked. They have transformed into fledglings. They have stopped looking like weird aliens and they have grown feathers and finally start resembling like their parents. Their eyelids are finally open and they see the open skies for the very first time. Their high protein diet are clearly visible in their rapid development. Soon enough, the eldest chick seems ready to fly, is now getting crowded with 3 fledglings. As days pass by, the 3 siblings actively engage in pre-flight exercises like stretching their wings, they preen themselves, they try to stand tall on their feet, they just seem ready to claim the sky. One morning we heard lot of anxious babbling sounds from our balcony. We hurried to witness 2 pairs of adult bulbuls and a pair of adult sparrows being the source of this commotion. 2 of the chicks were dangling about 1 feet under the nest by holding onto a small twig connected to the nest. We helped the 2 chicks untangle from the twig and placed them down gently on the balcony floor. The third one was nowhere in sight. Maybe it flew away. We left them out on their own in the balcony and kept grains and water for the chicks. The parents continued to make their feeding trips. Almost each feeding trip was accompanied by a flight demo. The parents would sit next to the kids, then fly a short distance and then go back to the kid. They would repeat this a couple of times before flying away. Kind of like saying, "This is how you fly, kiddo." Soon the siblings had reached the pots that were on the railings. They both were just one brave leap away from flying to explore the world. After a few flight lessons from their parents, one of the juvenile flew away along with the adults, but the younger one stayed put on a hibiscus plant. The parents kept making feeding trips for this chick until sunset. Once it became dark, they bid farewell for the night. They probably went to take care of the other two juveniles which had now left our balcony. The next day, the parents returned with the usual protein snack was accompanied by a flight demo. This chick seemed to be interested only in the food. We were spying on the family from behind our curtains. What took place next was unbelievable. The parents kept chirping loudly. Finally, the chick jumped on the back of one of the parents, and then the parent flew away with its baby on its back. Alas, this happened so fast that we couldn't capture this on video. We rushed outside to see where they landed, and now the chick was sitting on a branch of a tree in the society's compound. One way or the other, the parents had managed to empty their nest. This was the first round of bulbuls nesting in our balcony. Since then, twice the bulbuls have returned to the same nest to lay their eggs. It's been a joy to watch this happen. Sometimes we see bulbuls flying around our house. We wonder if they are the ones which were born in our balcony. Thanks for watching. See you all soon again with another video.